So you want a travel trailer that's 30 feet, that's more of a couple's coach, no bunkhouse, but you want to be able to sleep 5 to 6 comfortably, then the M27 from Mallard might be for you. Let's take a look at this floor plan. All new front molded cap with integrated LED and automotive grade paint. This is what's impressive. This is a 30-foot coach with 67.5 cubic feet of pass-through storage that is fully insulated with lighting. Wide Trax suspension is on every Mallard. When I go through the floor plan, I never once put the stabilizer jacks down because this wide stance makes this a very sturdy unit even when it's sitting at a campsite. This is also going to help you tremendously going to and from your destination. It's not really big, it's Willy big. A huge, massive tinted window, as this whole coach has all tinted windows. And it will come with a spare tire as well. What you're greeted with as soon as you walk in are these comfortable chairs. These are going to be nice for your setup at the entertainment center, which I'll get to in a minute. Walking into the coach, you've got your controls for the slide. As soon as you walk in, looking at the floor, you think about maintenance. There's no carpet throughout this coach. The only thing that you have is a marine grade woven fabric on the slide. You have a lot of natural light coming in, but you're going to be very comfortable because in the Mallard, all of these windows are tinted. So it's going to give you a lot of privacy when you're at your campsite, but it's also going to help keep the UV rays and the heat from coming into the coach. Backlit LED fascia, storage taking up from left to right this entire back of this floor plan. It's a very, very nice touch. On this press countertop, you have no T-molding right here, and it's a soft beveled edge. So it's not gonna hurt if you have any young guests coming if they bump into this. You've got a nice farmhouse style sink, and again, a lot of storage. What I like that Mallard has done is they've raised this up to the ceiling, and because they've got a nice barreled roof, there's a lot of room here. You've got an 8 cubic foot gas electric reefer. This is important for you new campers because this means you won't have to rely on shore power. They've added this nice doodle station. You can actually use chalk to write notes. You've got a 3-burner stove. What they put on is glass, so you can use this as an extension of the countertop. They have a nice large window that's tinted that opens, so you can have cross breeze coming through the coach. You don't have to rely on the AC. Here on the sofa, what is unique is number 1, it's comfortable, and 2, this actually pulls out very easily. In here, you have your additional third pad, so when you raise this converts nicely into a bed that will sleep 2 adults. Coming down that same slide, you have the dinette. There's a lot of windows. They're large, they open. The M27 is a very nice open concept. As far as the cushions, maybe you're like me and you spill. So you can flip, they are interchangeable. So you have 2 different color options. The table, of course, will just simply collapse down and you've got another area for your guests to sleep. We now have our entertainment cabinet area. This is going to be prepped for TV. You have your connections here. You've got storage above and below where the TV would be mounted. This has pass-through HDMI and USB and Bluetooth. You can plug in any HDMI connection and it will go through this radio to the back of the TV and operate whatever accessory item you have. Also, with it being Bluetooth, get out your smartphone, play your favorite mix. It's a nice upgrade here. You've got a lot of storage surrounding a true 72 by 80 king-size bed with storage underneath. You also have large storage here, an additional closet space, and you also have a TV hookup prep here as well, and another large window that, of course, opens for Mother Nature's free breeze. If you guys want more information on this floor plan, continue doing your research at heartlandrvs.com. We can help you with any questions that you have.